Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your BlueCrew job app, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload your BlueCrew profile photo? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload a profile photo to your BlueCrew app anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a freelancer, you know that when you apply for jobs on BlueCrew, sometimes they need your photo to identify who you are when you show up to the job site. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your BlueCrew app. It's this kind of purple and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my BlueCrew app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened my BlueCrew app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload a profile pic, what you want to do is click on this hamburger menu here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you will see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Account. Okay, so once you do that, you will see your personal information here in the BlueCrew app, and in order to upload a profile photo, you want to click on this kind of person icon looking thing right here on the top. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. They give you a couple of pointers on how to upload your profile pic onto BlueCrew. So you want to make sure it's well lit, and then also you don't have like hats and sunglasses and things like that, because it's really hard to tell who that person is if they show up to a job site. They do let you know they may use this photo to create your employee badge as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on take or select photo. Okay, next you're going to see a pop up. So you can use your camera to take a recent picture, or you can do what I do and just choose from your photos. So let me click here. Okay, so I went ahead and chose this one. It kind of shows my picture. So that looks good. Let me go ahead and choose that picture. Okay, so just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and then now my profile pic on BlueCrew has been updated. The unfortunate thing with BlueCrew is you can't edit the picture. It has to be already edited, so you can only upload. So if you want to kind of crop this out, you need to do that outside of the app, so you can do that inside of your phone. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your profile picture into the BlueCrew app, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.